In primetime news this evening, problem averted. Health officials take steps to address doctor shortage at Port Maria Hospital.
Dental surgeons take their frustration to the streets.
And mother of Beaches Stout's deceased wife testifies that she was unaware her daughter was married. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Andrea Chisholm.
Janella, there's a crisis in the Panama Canal. The number of ships using the canal per day will be drastically reduced. Why? And what does that mean for the shipping industry? That and more in the Business Day.
Thank you very much, Andrea. And Jermaine Brown, what's up in sports?
Well, thanks, Archie. Well, the much anticipated JFF elections, the date for those are now known. We'll tell you what that date is a bit later on.
Oh, the suspense. What I would like to know is, when will the rain start? Romaine is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have been having isolated showers across sections of eastern parishes on and off for most of today. We're expecting more of this activity tomorrow, especially across the east and across sections of central parishes. Drier conditions are forecast on Friday.
Thank you, Romaine. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you think is an appropriate minimum sentence for someone who commits capital murder?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.